Are you interested in becoming an IT project manager? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're going to explore everything you need to know about this exciting career path. IT project managers are responsible for overseeing technology-related projects, ensuring that they meet the objectives, timeline, and budget. While there's no one-size-fits-all answer to this question, most IT project managers hold a bachelor's or master's degree in computer science, information technology, or a related field. While coding skills aren't always necessary, having an understanding of programming languages can make it easier to communicate with developers and other IT professionals. Yes, IT project management is a great job. With an average salary of $89,000 per year and a projected 10% job growth rate, it's a lucrative and rewarding career path. IT project managers are responsible for leading a team of professionals, including developers, designers, and other IT experts. In addition to excellent communication and leadership skills, IT project managers need to have a solid understanding of the latest technology trends and be able to work with different software development methodologies. Yes, you can. While a degree in IT-related fields can be helpful, it's not always necessary. Many IT project managers start as developers or IT professionals and work their way up the career ladder. With a projected 10% job growth rate and a high demand for IT project managers across industries, this is an excellent time to pursue a career in IT project management. While there are several certifications available for IT project managers, the Project Management Professional (PMP) certification is widely recognized as the gold standard for project management professionals. According to a survey by PayScale, 58% of IT project managers enjoy their job. That's a pretty high number if you ask me. The difference between IT project manager and project manager is that IT project manager oversees technology projects, while project managers can work in a variety of industries, from construction to finance. Yes, an IT manager oversees the entire IT department, while an IT project manager is responsible for a specific project within the department. To become an IT manager, you'll need to have a solid understanding of IT infrastructure, security, and other technology-related matters. You'll also need strong leadership and communication skills. A successful IT project manager needs to have excellent leadership and communication skills, be able to manage a team effectively, and have a solid understanding of the latest technology trends. But most importantly, they need to be passionate about what they do. So, there you have it. Everything you need to know about becoming an IT project manager. Are you ready to take the first step?